Here's a list of healthy foods for kids. Fish. Salmon and tuna are full of omega-3 fatty acids, which help kids think, learn, and remember better. Eggs contain choline, a nutrient that builds strong brain cells. Blueberries are known as brainberries because they improve memory and concentration. Milk helps build strong bones and teeth because they're rich in calcium and vitamin D. Chicken builds muscles, especially after playing or sports. Spinach helps carry oxygen in the blood. Oats release energy slowly, keeping kids full and focused longer. Oranges help the body fight off colds and heal faster. Carrots, sweet potatoes help your eyes. Broccoli help your body grow strong. Watermelon, protect your heart. Bananas, potassium and quick energy.